Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of our 100 watt 80 degree C LED high bed. 80 degrees C is 176 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a very rugged, extreme environment fixture. This is specifically 100 watt. We also have it in a 50 watt, a 200 watt, 150 watt, 300 and 450 watt. Comes standard with a very rugged trunnion bracket for surface mount. It also comes with a very rugged eye hook. Comes with a 6-inch power cord. Very custom built though for those high temperature applications. It is a 277 volt driver, multi-tap. You can also get it in high voltage if required. We do stock the 50, 100, 150, and 200 watt units. Everything else is built to order. And we also have a 90 degree C, 194 degree fixture, and a 100 degree C, 212 degree Fahrenheit fixture. Again, steel plants, paper mills, nuclear power plants, any type of utility facility where the temperatures are very high. These fixtures operate well. We have lots of them out there. So give one of our lighting techs a call today and they can recommend the right solution for you. And if needed, we can also run a lighting plan. So have a great day.